Good morning, class 12C. This is your accountancy period. It is 31st of July and we are doing the chapter partnership admission. Now today we will discuss some more adjustments related to revaluation account and we will do one more question of hidden goodwill. The full-fledged question where you make the revaluation balance sheet, the partner's capital and the balance sheet question. So with this, I wish to start with question number 61. Now please make sure that you note down the question and if you have already copied it, you may tally it out. Balance sheet of Madhu and Vidhi who are sharing profits in the ratio 2:3. Make sure this is their old ratio as on 31st March. And the balance sheet format is given below. The liability side and the asset side. Madhu's capital 5,20,000. Vidhi's capital 3 lakh. General reserve 30,000. General reserve, this is the general reserve of old firm and this needs to be distributed in old partners in old ratio. Please note. General reserve 30,000. Then you have bills payable, another liability of rupees 1,50,000. Come to the asset side of the balance sheet. Land and building 3 lakh. Machinery 2,80,000. Stock 80,000. Debtors are 3 lakh minus provision on debtors. There is an old provision rupees 10,000 and the final amount in the asset column is 2,90,000. Now whenever children you do either in partnership admission or any other chapter any adjustment related to debtors, always keep in mind what you used to do in final accounts. जैसे फाइनल अकाउंट्स में एडजस्ट होता है प्रोविजन, ओल्ड प्रोविजन, न्यू प्रोविजन, बैड डेट्स, फर्दर बैड डेट्स, इन द सिमिलर वे यू डील इट इन द रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट और पार्टनरशिप की बैलेंस शीट में भी प्रोविजन ऑन डेटर्स का जो एक एडजस्टमेंट है ये बिल्कुल वैसे ही होता है. We'll do when we solve the question. So debtors are 3 lakh minus provision 10,000. Next is bank. A balance of bank account 50,000. One small trick just to avoid any extra confusion. If the question is not telling you the new partner comes in and he brings a check, or if it is not telling you the new partner comes in and he brings a cash, हम asset side को check out कर लेंगे अगर asset side में bank balance है. So we will consider that the new partner is bringing it through bank so that we don't have to make two separate accounts. Cash in hand भी बनाएंगे और cash at bank भी not required. But if it says cash in hand का balance है old balance sheet में, so we will consider that new partner is bringing the amount in cash only. This is one small thing which you can note so that extra accounting can be avoided. Extra steps avoid कर सकते हैं, time wasting avoid कर सकते हैं. Now the adjustments include Madhu and Vidhi decided to admit Gayatri, who is the new partner, and the new profit sharing ratio is. So we know the old ratio of Madhu and Vidhi and we know the new profit sharing ratio which is of Madhu, Vidhi and Gayatri and it is 2:3:5. Means Gayatri's share is 5/10. Right? Gayatri's share will be 5/10 or 1/5 as you can see. If you simplify it, it will be 5/10. Gayatri brought rupees 4 lakh as capital and her new share of goodwill in cash. Gayatri brought cash and Gayatri brought 4 lakh rupees for capital also. Goodwill was valued at rupees 3 lakhs. The new goodwill of the firm, the newly reconstituted firm जो गायत्री विधि और मधु की होने वाली है. Land and building is undervalued by rupees 26,000. You have to pass it through the revaluation account. Then provision for doubtful debts was to be made equal to 5%. We will find out how much will it be, 5% or 10,000 already given है. We will subtract the remaining amount and then deal it with the revaluation account. There was a claim of 6,000 on workman compensation. We will also give it and we will pass it to the balance sheet liability side. Okay, now let's move ahead. Prepare a revaluation account, partner's capital account and the balance sheet of the new firm. I hope the question is clear to you. Let us solve it up. I hope you can check out the board very clearly. Let us try to do the question. Now before we move to any other adjustment related to goodwill or the new partner, we first have to find out the profit or loss on revaluation. So you see, land and building was found undervalued. Means the value of land and building which is to rise up by how much? Rise up by 26,000. And you see, provision for doubtful debts was to be made equal to 5% on debtors. Now there is a small working note, kindly note it down, and if you want you can include it, otherwise, and if you don't want you can't. So the amount of debtors is, now check it out, you don't have to do this in fair. The total amount of debtors is rupees 3 lakhs. They say the provision on debtors has to be 5%. So how much has to be the total provision? It has to be rupees 15,000. Total provision on debtors has to be rupees 15,000. Out of this 15,000, how much is already done? How much amount is already there? Rupees 10,000 is already there in the fund. A provision that already exists is rupees 10,000. So how much provision more is to be given? A remaining of rupees 5,000. Did this get clear to you? Fill up rupees debtors, 5% provision on it. The total provision should have been 15,000. But we already have a provision of rupees 10,000. So what we are going to do is, we are going to give more 5,000 rupees as a provision. Next adjustment. There was a claim of rupees 6,000 on workmen compensation. So what we are going to give? A claim. This is to provision, I am sorry. To workmen compensation claim, which is rupees 6,000. Now 26,000 minus 5,000, 21. 21 minus 6,000 is 15,000. Now divide this 15,000 amongst Madhu. Profit and revaluation includes Madhu and Ibu. Now 15,000 divided in the old ratio. Their old ratio is 2:3. How much will go to Madhu? 15,000 into 2 upon 5. Come on.
6,000.
Yes.
Ma'am, 6,000.
And already it should be simply, you can subtract.
9,000.
Yes, 9,000. So a total of 15,000 rupees profit, and the account will be closed with 26,000. So I hope the revaluation account is clear to everybody. Now the question says, children, that the new partner Gayatri, who is coming in for 5 upon 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10. So Gayatri is coming for 5 upon 10th share. Gayatri is coming for, or she is coming for 1 upon 5th share. If you just simplify, 5 ones are 5 2s. 1 upon 2th share. So what we are going to do, we are going to find out how much is the value of goodwill that belongs to Gayatri. For this, we are going to write the old ratios minus the new ratios. We will calculate first the sacrificing ratio of old partners. So this is the sacrificing ratio of old partners. I have not gone in detail because you have already done it many times. Now the goodwill of new partner. Who is the new partner? Gayatri. Gayatri who is coming in for 5 upon 10 share. So the total goodwill is 3 lakh. Right? Can you see? It is written, the total goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 3 lakh. The very first adjustment. Multiplied by Gayatri's share of profit, which is 1 upon 2 or 5 upon 10, whatever you say. So goodwill of Gayatri is how much? 1,50,000. Now this 1,50,000 will be divided amongst, this is the premium for goodwill. Which Gayatri is bringing. As per the question is telling you that she is bringing. It is not that she is not bringing. अगर नहीं bring कर रही होती, we would have dealt it through the current account. So this is premium for goodwill because Gayatri is bringing this amount. Now this 1,50,000 will be divided amongst Madhu and Nidhi in their sacrificing ratio. This is their sacrificing ratio. Quickly find out. It shall be 60,000 as a compensation paid to Madhu. Simply 1,50,000 into 2/5, 1,50,000 into 3/5. It shall be 60,000 for Madhu and 90,000 for Vidhi. Any confusion till here? Any confusion? Note it down quickly then.
No, ma'am.
Okay, note it down. Have you copied revaluation account? Has everyone copied revaluation account? So I do it on the side.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly do
Yes, ma'am.
quickly copy this down, then we'll do the partner's capital account. Now let us make partner's capital account. Now for partner's capital account, and have you noted down these working notes? See, these are important. If you don't know how to do this, you won't be able to solve. Shall I have this? Is there anyone who's copying?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Because it will take a little more space. So what we are going to do, we are simply going to make the partner's capital account. Madhu, Vidhi and Gayatri. Madhu, Vidhi and Gayatri. What is the balance? Balance brought down. Gayatri will not be having because she is a new partner. As per the old balance sheet, it is 5,20,000. I hope the figures are clear to you. It's not so small, otherwise there is no space left on the board. And for the other one, it is 3. Now the question further says that she has brought 4 lakh rupees as her capital. So Gayatri's capital is, and her share of premium in cash. So what we are going to do? ₹4 lakh rupees cash or bank, whatever you say. And secondly, the premium for goodwill. What is this premium for goodwill? The premium of goodwill is Gayatri's share divided amongst Madhu and Vidhi. By premium for goodwill. How much is the amount that is going to go to both these partners? 60,000 and 90,000. Okay, this is the adjustment of Gayatri's goodwill for Madhu and Vidhi. Now this is done. Balances are being copied. Gayatri has brought goodwill and Gayatri has brought capital. What else is left? We have to distribute the profit on revaluation. Now since it belongs only to Madhu and Vidhi, we will transfer the revaluation account balance, which was rupees 6,000 and 9,000. Check out your revaluation account and find out if I have written correct or not. Now one more thing children, this is the new adjustment. A general reserve was also existing in the previous form. That stands at rupees 30,000. Tell me how will you divide it? By general reserve. Come on. How will you divide it? 30,000 rupees divided amongst old partners, Madhu and Vidhi. In which ratio?
In old ratio.
In their old ratio. Yes. So the general reserve, which stands at rupees 30,000, will be divided amongst these two people, Madhu and Vidhi, in 2:3. Quickly work it out. 30,000 into 2 upon 5. Do it. 30,000 into 2 upon 5, 30,000 into 3 upon 5. It turns out to be 12,000 and 18,000.
Yes.
12,000 and 18,000. Now, is there anything which is left from the balance sheet to be dealt here? पुरानी फॉर्म पे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो हमें मधु और विधि को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना हो. So what we are going to do? We are going to find out the final balances. To balance carrying account. Now find out the amount. 5,20,000 plus 60,000. 5,80,000, 5,92,000 and 5,98,000. So it turns out to be 5,98,000 for Madhu. Is it clear? Now 3 lakh plus 90,000, 3,90,000, 4 lakh, 4,08,000, 4,08,000 plus 9, 4,17,000. Okay. The third one is his capital is rupees 4 lakh and it will continue to be at rupees 4 lakh only. Balance this out. This is 5,98,000. This is 4,17,000 and this is 4 lakh. Here also 5,98,000. Then you have 4,70,000 and then you have 4 lakh. Children, any confusion with the partner's capital account? Any confusion
No,
with
ma'am.
the partner's capital account? Okay, fine. Complete it and then I'll rub it off. Then it's time for balance sheet. Quickly do it. You can save time from the first period to complete the other question also. Okay, so I'm rubbing off partner's capital account. Should I rub it? Is there any single fellow who is writing? If so, please turn on your mic and tell me yes. Are you copying from the board? Musa Rais, I will check out your register and then only I'll allow you for the retest. Please note. Okay. So if you say yes, it means you should be having things in your copy. Prabshan Galhotra, you too. All of you are going to show me your registers before we enter into any other test. Only then you will be qualified. Okay. So after this, what we are going to do, we are going to make the revised or the new balance sheet. This is the balance sheet of the newly reconstituted firm. What shall be the date that you are going to put? 1st April 2017. 16, sorry. As at 1st April, right? 2016, not 17, I'm sorry. Please know that this is also very important. Okay, so first of all, we are going to put the capital balances. Madhu, Vidhi, and Gayatri. For Gayatri it was 4 lakh only, and as per the question, for Vidhi it was 4,17,000 and for Madhu it was 5,98,000. Just check it out in the partner's capital account if this is right. Now the bills payable which were already existing and had no adjustment at all will be recorded at their similar value. Along with this, what else you have? General reserve is now distributed. We will not write. Along with this, you are going to write workmen compensation claim. This is a new liability that has arrived. So this is a new adjustment in this question. Workmen compensation claim you are going to write. Now let us check out what shall be on the assets side, on the revalued assets. So you write land and building. Land and building is rupees 3 lakh plus 26,000 because it was risen up. 3 lakh 26,000. Then second you have machinery. Now for machinery, was there any adjustment? No. 2 lakh 80,000. Then what else you have? Stock. Is there any adjustment related to stock? No. 80,000. Now there is debtors. Now look here. For the amount of debtors is rupees 3 lakh plus old provision 10,000 plus minus old provision 10,000 minus new provision 5,000. So both these amounts are going to be deducted and the amount turns out to be 2,85,000. Debtors में से old provision को already subtract हो रहा था और further 5,000 rupees that we have passed through revaluation we are going to subtract. What is the next thing that you are going to deal? Bank. Now for bank you can write 50,000 plus 4 lakh. 50,000 plus 4 lakh. This 4 lakh is the capital of Gayatri. 4,50,000. And because the question clearly tells you, like what I was telling you in the beginning, now the question clearly tells you that it is cash. It is not bank. The goodwill is brought in cash. So you will also include one more column. This is the amount of goodwill which was brought by Gayatri. And what was Gayatri's share? It was rupees 1,50,000 rupees. So 4,50,000 for bank and cash. Okay. Now what is the balance sheet? 3,26,000 plus 2,80,000 plus 80,000 plus 2,85,000 plus 4,50,000 plus 1,50,000. It turns out to be 15,71,000 and 15,71,000. Got it? Is this clearly understood? Shall we move ahead? Come on, yes, no, say something. If you are copying, you can tell me, I will wait. Yes, children, have you copied it?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, since very few minutes are left, let me quickly discuss question number 67 with you and I will share the solution. Okay, should I start with it? You can get back to this question, check out the videos and copy down the things from the board later on as well. Should I start with the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give the next heading, concept of hidden goodwill. Concept of hidden goodwill. Rajesh and Ravi are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. The old ratio is 3:2. And the balance sheet is as follows. The balance sheet, as I have already shared in the picture, you can check out. Creditors 38,500 on the liability side. Creditors 38,500. Outstanding rent 4,000. The capital accounts of both the partners, Rajesh and Ravi. For Rajesh, 29,000 and for Ravi, 15,000, 1,500. On the asset side, you have cash, 2,000, stock, 15,000, prepaid insurance, 1,500, debtors, 9,400 minus provision. Provision is rupees 400. So the total amount on the outer column is 9,000. 9,400 minus 400, outer side 9,000. Then you have machinery 19,000, 19. Building 35,000. Furniture 5,000. The total of balance sheet is 86,500. The total of balance sheet is 86,500. Write the adjustment. Raman is admitted as a new partner, introducing capital as rupees 16,000. 16000. Raman is introduced as a new partner with capital of rupees 16,000. 16000. The new ratio is decided as 5:3:2. The new ratio decided as 5:3:2. Raman is unable to bring cash for goodwill. So this question is dealing Raman's share of goodwill through current account. Okay. So Raman is unable to bring anything in cash for goodwill. So it was decided that the goodwill of the firm will be valued on the basis of Raman's share in profit. Means the goodwill is hidden goodwill. You will first find out the net worth minus the adjusted capital of the partners. The remainder is your goodwill amount. Remember, we have done this in the previous questions. So the goodwill, it is decided to value the goodwill on the basis of Raman's share in the profit and the capital contributed by him. Following revaluations were made. So before this new partner Raman enters, the following adjustments for the revaluation count were there. First one, stock to decrease by 5%. You will decrease stock on the two side. Then provision for doubtful debts is to be made 500. 400 is already there, plus 100 rupees provision you require, which is to be done through revaluation account. Furniture to decrease by 10%, depreciation on furniture on the two side of revaluation account. Then building to be valued at 40,000. Previously the building is at rupees 35,000. Now it is to be revalued, means appreciated. So by building rupees 40,000. Show necessary ledger accounts and balance sheet of the firm. This is the question where we are going to make the revaluation account. Then we will calculate the hidden goodwill, and then we will make partners capital account and balance sheet. So can you just tell me who has the next period with you? So on this note, see you for the next time for this question number 67. Thank you.